Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, long time no see. Sorry I've been away for a while. But yeah, any of you are watching this video, I hope you are doing well. You know who you are, but I just say I bless all of you in the seasons that you're in. I know I'm doing fantastic. So, without further ado, I have an unboxing today. This was a bag that I may have mentioned in my last video, I don't know, but it was very elusive to me. It would go on site on the Dooney.com website and then it would go away after like a few minutes and then come back, which they often do. I'm like, once I saw it, I took the chance and I got it. So I got this bag and it's in one of my favorite colors in the Florentine line. And right now there's the Florentine satchel that's available in this color. I'm like, should I get it? I've always wanted, but I might refrain. So let's get into the unboxing. And I hope it looks good. This bag does not come stuffed, so I'm going to have to just put the stuffing in it off camera so you can kind of see the shape. But let's get into it. Like I said, I got it from Dooney.com and it was on a really good sale. Okay. Box is in great condition. I never have issues with that yet. So, yeah, like I said, I hope you guys are all doing really well and enjoying your new year. But yeah, just stay positive. Remember that. Always. Okay. So, let me take away the box. Here she is. Okay. Yep, you can see that, hopefully. This is the Dooney & Bourke Florentine logo. Oh, sorry, Logan drawstring, sorry. And I just recently got this bag, as you know, in the natural color. I was always really attracted to it. So, and this is quantity 20 of 50, and it's in the color steel blue. It's kind of packaged funny. So there's like that packing tape, so this could be a return, but let's take a look. More than likely could be. Okay. Alright. So here she is. Okay. So this is how the Logan drawstring comes. Doesn't look appealing to me at all. So she looks in good shape. Okay. Everything looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and like start to stuff it so you can see the shape. So. Okay, so give me just a second. I'm going to put some stuffing in. Well, first I can show you the inside. Okay, so it's the standard Dooney setup in there. Sorry if it's hard to see, but you have a back zip pocket here. I don't have the best lighting. Sorry. And then you have the two front slip pockets here, and as well as the back slip pocket as well. So let me get some stuffing that I have real quick. Okay. See the shape of it, so all right. Okay. So this should be enough. Sorry about moving the camera there. I still don't have it on the original tripod, so but this setup seems to be working well for me, so I'm not used to the plastic being on here. I think that is normal though for drawstrings. Yep, I think it is. I saw another person's video I watched and they also had the plastic. So I think I'll just still show you what the shape is like with the plastic on for now, because it's going to take me a while to get off. Here she is. Let's see if you can see the color in the sunlight there. Yeah, that's coming off true to color. It's a little bit lighter in person, so sorry about the shadows, but yeah, that's kind of a cute bag. Yeah, I have a bag insert that it's just, if you look up on Amazon and it's called, I just typed in the like Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 or Speedy 20, the small one, bag insert, and it's about 10 inches long, so it actually fits in there. So once you put it in the Logan, the shape changes a little bit, which is I'm kind of picky. So it ends up looking more kind of like this because it's very boxy, so it's more fuller up here. So this is kind of what it looks like when I carry it. And I've been using my one bag charm I'm going to put on it. So you can see it's so cute. So this is what I use. And yep, it does fit. Look at that. This is my Coach just cherries keychain or purse bag charm, and it's so cool. So you could use like dark blue keychains, beaded keychains, anything like that, anything purple. But yeah, I think I'm gonna keep her. She's in really good shape. This is very similar what I'm noticing with that last sorry if I'm spacey today, but the last in this color, I'm spacing on the color, but the small Sloan that I got in Florentine, same thing. It was all smooth, as you can see here, but on the corner, it's like the same on the corner. There's all this pebbling, and that looks kind of ugly. I can see that, but I like the front of my bag looks really nice. So as you can see, it's partially smooth, partially not. There's more pebbling on the corner there. But yeah, it's like there's a ton here. So, but yeah, this is steel blue. That's what I wanted to say. And then you have the braided strap here. Really cute. I think she's a keeper. I like her. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. She's very elusive in this color. Hard to find. But you can still get more Florentine bags in the color steel blue on ilovedooney.com as well as Dooney.com, depending on the stock. So just keep an eye out for it. This might pop up again, but it goes away like that. So I might, let me know if you guys think I should get the satchel in this color. I might not because it's still at a really high price. So I'm like, well, do I really want to do that? And the sale it's on is just not very good. So probably not. But yeah, let me know how you guys are doing. I hope you had a really good new year. And I know I have. I've just really been enjoying doing classes at my church, things like that. But I'm doing fantastic. And but yeah, let me know what kind of bags you guys have been getting. And I've also been selling some of my bags. Some of you guys might know that. I've been putting it on my Poshmark account, and I think my Poshmark account name is like NFPDX556, but if not, I will comment. I'll put it in my description box. But yeah, I've been putting up certain bags on there because since watching Lori the Poodoo Dog, her channel, she just decided she had enough. She got rid of like half of her bags and then a bunch of her jewelry just because she embracing minimalism a little bit and is overwhelmed, and I'm starting to feel that way. And because she inspired me to do that, I have all the inspiration I need now to do better and just sell things and give away some, not all my bags, but you'll see which ones are on there. I already sold one recently, the hydrangea hobo. And I have the hydrangea drawstring on there for sale. I might end up keeping it. I don't know. But for now, it's still there. So, yeah, just not trying to have so much stuff. And I know, like, a lot of people, like, they love their collections. But at the end of the day, you're just overwhelmed. And, like, I get that. It's like visual clutter equals mental clutter. So just remember that. Visual clutter often equals mental clutter. You're more stressed. So yeah, I've been doing amazing. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys have a really good February. But yeah, don't forget to have a wonderful year. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.